Hi, how you doing? I'm Saikon from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to go through a big affiliate marketing mistake that you don't want to make. Okay, so that is to not have your own website. Okay, since affiliate marketing began decades ago, thanks to the internet, it's been made easy to get started in affiliate marketing for free, and you don't really have to pay for resources such as web hosting and publishing systems to promote your affiliate products. So there are many web resources, free web resources and platforms out there that you can use to set up your affiliate marketing business. Um, for example, resources such as Blogger, Tumblr, Facebook, they all have features that will let you post various promotional content and, affiliate marketing stuff that you can share with people and, promote your links and stuff like that. Because these are free resources, the problem is that they are on platforms that you don't really own, and you have no control, no guarantee that you will be able to access your accounts forever. Let's take Facebook for example. If you Google something like "got banned from Facebook" in Google, right, you'll see loads of search results to do with Facebook bans, and Facebook has the power to control and ban anyone they believe has violated their terms and policies and conditions, and rightly so, because it's their platform. They set the rules for what's allowed and what's not, and you may disagree with some of it, but you'll not be able to do much about it, to be honest. It's their word against yours, sort of thing. And the same goes for any other platforms also. The fact that you don't own, have full control of your content and any other aspect, including your subscribers or your audience that you've built up on these platforms. So just imagine all those social media stars, who have millions of followers and subscribers, and then one day suddenly they receive a ban notice from the platform that they're on, and they spent all their energy, hard work and stuff to build up their subscribers. It only takes one complaint and violation, according to these platforms terms and policies, that you could potentially lose all your hard work, effort, and then you put in building your social media profiles and audiences and stuff like that. Okay, so the same applies to free blogging platforms. It's in your best interest to avoid relying and building your website, your affiliate marketing business on free platforms. So just imagine suddenly your free sites get shut down, then all your content and your efforts go down the drain because you've been banned and you will not have access to your content. So that's another thing that you need to think about before you start investing your time and energy on free platforms. Okay, instead of making a big mistake on building on third-party platforms, first, the better strategy is to start off from the get-go with building from your own platform, which is your own website. Okay, so when you start building from your own website, you have full control, flexibility, and no one can take that away from you. These days it doesn't really cost much to have your own affiliate marketing website, as you can literally get started for just a few dollars a month with web hosting services such as Bluehost. Another one I use is A2 Hosting. Even when you're starting out, you should go straight from building from your own platform, as it will save you time and hassle migrating your stuff from a free platform when you realize that it was a bad idea to start with with the free platforms. So if you want to start an affiliate marketing business the right way, you must be prepared to spend some money on tools and resources to build it right. Think of it like similar to a traditional business where you would have to pay for the office space, retail space, stocks, rent, gas, electric, etc. Just imagine how many thousands of dollars or pounds, whichever country currency you have, it would cost you for traditional business to set up a traditional business, and yet you wouldn't hold off on things like that because it would be mandatory to need all these things and set up all these things before you even start trading, right? And luckily for affiliate marketing, none of this is required. In fact, you don't even need to spend thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars. You just need a few $100 you can get started with. Okay, and these tools and resources consist of low cost things like web hosting fees, email autoresponder, tracking tools, and landing page building and stuff like that. And one vital resource you'll need is invest in your education and training, okay, so that you learn from the right ways, learn for the right people and right strategies that will help you succeed. Okay, and think of these costs as investments rather than expenses, because these are going to potentially earn you affiliate income for the long term, right? So coming back to the big mistake, which is not to build your own website from the start. Don't make that mistake, otherwise you may regret it down the line in the future. Okay, so start your affiliate marketing the right way by building from your own platform. Then in addition, you can leverage third-party sites, you know, on top of it, like, you know, like social media platforms, stuff like that. So this way, you know that if anything goes wrong on your third-party platforms, your own website will still be there, standing strong, working and marketing your affiliate products for you 24/7, 365 days a year without a holiday. Okay, so to sum it up, it's best to start your affiliate marketing website on your own platform, which may cost some dollars to start with, but it's well worth it and great return on investment. And I'm sure if you build it the right way, you'll get, you know, the return on investment way much more than what you invested, and it's well worth it for the long haul and sustainability. Okay, so with your own platform, it's 100% yours. You own it, you have full control over it. You don't have to worry about something, you know, someone's shutting you down and someone giving you orders, whatever. And you can even in the future sell it as an asset if you wanted to. Okay, so it becomes an asset for you that you can sell on to and pass on to someone else or whatever, right? So if you want to learn how to build and grow your own independent affiliate business, I want to share with you a free training workshop taught by a super successful affiliate marketer, and who also taught me and you know, helped me make my first ever affiliate commissions. And if you're reading this as an article, you can click on the link, but I will put the link in the description below and you can check it out. It's totally free. It's well worth it. A lot of value in it. I'm sure you will like it. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and I really appreciate it. And if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateshop.com/newsletter. Okay, so thank you for watching and all the best.